In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change page width in Shopify. Start by opening your Shopify admin in a browser and go to admin.shopify.com. Once you're logged in, look to the left sidebar and click Online Store. Then click Themes. In your current Dawn theme, click Edit Theme. This opens the theme editor. You'll see a live preview of your store on the right side and the section list for the page on the left. Now go to the top left area of the sidebar and click the gear icon to open Theme Settings. In the Settings panel, click Page Layout. Here, find the Page Width option. Click the drop-down, then choose Narrow, Normal, or Wide. As soon as you select the width, the live preview on the right updates so you can see the content area change directly in the editor. Next, if you want one specific section to stretch across the full browser width, go back to the section list. Click the back arrow at the top of the Theme Settings panel. Then click the section you want to change from the left sidebar. In this example, click Featured Collection. Once the section settings open, scroll all the way down until you reach the Custom CSS field at the bottom. Click inside that Custom CSS box and type the CSS rule shown on screen. Enter it carefully in the field so the section uses that rule exactly as written. This applies only to the section you selected and overrides the page width limit for that section, so it can extend edge to edge across the browser window. After that, click Save in the top right corner of the theme editor. That applies the changes to your theme. At this point, the wider page layout is in place, and the section where you added custom CSS now stretches to the full width with no side margins. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. To confirm everything is live, open your storefront in a new tab and check the page. You should now see the overall layout using the wider maximum widths and the specific section you edited displaying across the full browser width.